Discover luxury living at this exceptional Stafford area estate. Perfectly positioned for amazing mountain views, with Mount St. Helens and Mount Adams taking center stage. It's located on nearly 5 peaceful acres. It also offers quick access to amenities like parks, wineries, and the Oregon Golf Club. The long, tree-lined private road takes you to this stately home. Head inside and discover a grand entry with an elegant staircase and Brazilian cherry wood floors. Take in the stunning views from the massive wall of windows, or relax by the fireplace. The luxurious kitchen features premium finishes, high-end appliances including a Sub-Zero fridge, modern fixtures, 2 wine fridges, and an impressive gas range. Head outside to the custom Ipe wood deck for entertaining by the fire pit or gazing at the mountains. Unwind and recharge in the hot tub while taking in the tranquil setting. You'll find multiple gracious spaces for entertaining. Plus a main level office with wainscoting. A large utility room and a convenient bath. Upstairs, double doors open to the inviting primary suite, where you can wake up to gorgeous views or have coffee on the balcony. Enjoy heated floors in the primary bath, a luxurious tub, serene multi-head shower, and 2 large walk-in closets, including one that connects to the upper-level office. You'll find another generous bedroom suite. With a total of 5 bedrooms, this home offers plenty of flexibility and multi-generational living options. 2 more bedrooms share a dual-access bath. The lower-level living space is ready for entertaining friends and family with another fireplace and a wet bar with a fridge and dishwasher. You'll also find a designated bedroom and another full bath. The sliding door leads to a stone patio in the private yard. Other features include plenty of usable land, a flat yard, a spacious shed for workshop projects, a sport court, and a large 4-car garage. A truly cannot-miss estate that you must see in person to appreciate the ultimate luxurious experience. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.